Sige, mag-ano ka? This is a documentary, docudrama. Sige, go ahead. This is actually a docudrama about Halloween. Not really Halloween, but about All Saints Day. Yeah, first floor, second floor, and the third floor. There you see there. But it's no, it's the fourth floor actually. But as of this moment, nobody's occupying it. I don't know. Maybe it's reserved for Sandy then. So let's just wait for that. So these are some of the tombs or graves that hasn't been visited yet for a while. So yeah. How did you know it's vacant?
There's no name on it.
No name on it, so that's why it's vacant. You think so?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Ano ba? Ano ito mga ito? Nakakabali. Ubus ang shock ako. Okay naman siya. Ayun. Kukumin sana ako. Abroad.
It's a girl, Gaga.
Ano, pag-mas daw mo yung video. Buta rin sa pudra ko, ha? Ha?
Sandy, let's go back to your father's grave. To your father's tomb. Tomb Raider. We're gonna pause for a short break.